The fuel line kit is a fast and easy way to service your small engine's fuel system. It consists of new fuel lines and the tank grommet. Over time, the plastic and rubber components will harden and crack. This can lead to loss of fuel flow, fuel leaks, or air leaking into the fuel system. Installing the fuel line kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old fuel line assembly from the tank. I'll use a small screwdriver to carefully pry the grommet away from the tank. Then I can pull the fuel lines and filter out of the tank. I'll note the location of the fuel lines on the carburetor and then remove them. Now I can install the new fuel line assembly. I'll transfer the fuel filter from the old to the new. And the fuel line clamp on the return line. Now I can install this assembly back into the tank. I'll drop the fuel filter back into the opening in the fuel tank and then push the grommet into place. You may need to use the small screwdriver again to push the grommet into the opening. You want to be careful not to puncture the fuel lines when doing this. And I'll finish by reconnecting the fuel lines. And that's how easy it is to replace the fuel line assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.